guys, back here with another DIY for you guys. These are some cute sunflower earrings that you guys can make. It's really simple using just some flowers that I found at the dollar store, earring blanks, which is the stud blanks, and some buttons. So let's begin. I only made one for demonstration purposes, so this will be the next one I'm going to make, so it's easy for you guys to do it yourself. That's why I did it like that. But so simple. Here we go. Here again, I'm vibing with you guys, playing my music. So let's go and have some fun and make this simple, cute DIY. Now, you see you have two strips of the daffodils, right? And instead of making it straight, I try to give it like a curve so you can see that you have the edges going around, like, see? So it can look like a flower. So you don't make it too straight, then you will line up with the flower. So then we're gonna put it flat. Let me put my camera down so you can see, guys. Oh, I can bring it out. Right? I use my little palette so I don't have to mess up my table. This is a different glue that I just found out about. It's Eileen's Jewelry and Metal Glue. Let me see how this works, which I always prefer to use epoxy, but I'm out of epoxy. Gotta go get some. So I'm gonna use this, okay? Now what I'm gonna do first, because I didn't do with the other one, because I need a back, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna put on the back, I'm gonna put it here, right? That way it can hold on it. Just gonna put a little glue around. So it can hold around the whole base. And with this glue, you want to get it right because it will. Let's see. Oops. See, guys? Oh, sticky. Okay, so now you can see. Oh my goodness. Now you can see this glue. Oh my goodness. Technical difficulties. So with this flower, since this is the first time using this glue, guys, oh no, I'm not feeling it. But what I'm gonna do is feel like crazy glue to me, guys. Oh my goodness, I need my epoxy. It's so strong. So once you glue it, make sure you have your things lined up even, because it doesn't give you no time to make any error to get it right. So now, where's my button? Oh, here we go. Sorry, guys. So now I'm gonna put some glue around here, and then I'm gonna paste this button out. How to Love Again. This is a classic, guys. This is Barris. Yes, there for you. I'll be there for you. So you see so far, I'm pressing it down. You see it's coming the same way. Real simple, but we gotta give it time to to dry. So give me 1 minute, guys. I'll be right back, okay? All right, guys. So I've let it dry. Sit there and dry. So this is how it's coming out so far. But I will tell you, I'm not happy. You see, I'm always find little problems with my pieces when I make, but I'm not happy because this glue I just got to try, just to see how it is, and it feels like crazy glue, and it's sticking to my finger, and it's not doing justice for me. But it did the justice of holding the product together how it should, see? So that's cool. Now for the duration, I don't know, but it did what it's supposed to do intended, and I'm happy about that. But this one I had used epoxy, so I'm happy with this. But I'm gonna get epoxy in the future. But for now, at least there's other alternative glues you can use when you don't have your epoxy available. Guys, this is Betty White. Betty White, Tonight is the Night. You guys know this is a classic. Love this song. You know, she started with her talking, but that's fine. But yes, Betty, classic. So now, guys, this is a button I put on the back of it. So you have a button in the back, you have a button in the front. I'm going to take this stud blank and I'm going to put it right in here on the back. See that? How cool is that? So watch. Oh my God, you know what I mean? Making me think of a bumblebee, because I love bumblebees. Just like the other day, I was watching that movie, The Transformers, and it brings me back to when I was a young kid, and I love the Transformers, and I love Bumblebee with my favorite character. Maybe a little bit off now, but oops, sorry guys. Yes, I put it right in here. See? Let me close it up before I make a mess. But see, just put it there in the back and just let it dry. Like that. One thing I do like about this glue, it dries fast. Besides epoxy, they have 1 minute epoxy. I've tried that, and you gotta move really quickly with that epoxy glue. It dries instantly. But the one I use is a 5 minute. 5 minutes is the best for me. Just gonna move me up a little bit, guys. Yeah. So it's not drying yet. You gotta give it a few minutes to dry. All right, guys, just a few minutes. But it's coming out, guys. It's coming. And that's it. Okay, give me a minute, guys. I want that to dry, so I'll be right back. That you make me a woman. Yes, Betty, yes. Guys, it's drying. I'm going to still give it a few more because I don't want to put it on yet, but isn't that, look how cute is that? Now you could use any kind of button, but I just use it only because I started and I just love purple and yellow together. Look how cute is that, see? I'm waiting for you to walk in. I try to relax. Oh, guys, see, I'm not giving it time to dry. But let me just leave it here. Ooh, let that dry. But I do have, say, you can also use these and put on stuff. I mean, these are really pretty, really pretty. Then I have other buttons, so you can use other buttons. See, I'm gonna show you. I took these with some other buttons that I tried, I used, and I turned it to studs same way. And you can see because they're clear reflecting. And then these are some other ones, and this one to me I would kind of like a semi-epiphel, only because I only use one of the flowers, the sunflower, and I like when you double it double it look more fuller. But these were just the simple ones I started with first, and then I just put the blank. But I found that you need the back, so I'm gonna show you with these what I didn't do with the other ones. See, this one I didn't put the button on the back and then I realized that it's better with the button. Oh my gosh, see guys? I don't like this glue. I don't like this glue. So we're gonna put some more glue. Maybe it's not enough. It's not enough glue. And we're gonna just leave that. Sorry about that, guys. I'm taping from my phone as usual. You know when the phone interrupts, so. But anyway, it's coming out. It's still drying, so I'm just gonna leave it. But as I was saying, you could use many different other buttons. I even made these, and these are so cool, guys. Check these out. These are buttons with sequins. So I'll demonstrate that another time, but these are so cool also. And these are cute little studs. I'll show you. I'll take out these earrings and just show you how one look. But it's just so cute. And these I use epoxy glue, so I know these will last long. Because epoxy is one of the strongest bonding glue. Look, see? Treasure. See? So it's so cute. My soul. Never know the words, guys. Okay, but that's it for my DIY today, guys. So if you have buttons hanging around and you would think about throwing them out, you don't have to throw them out, guys. You could take those buttons and make you some beautiful stud earrings. That's if you're a stud girl. Some people are and some people are not. But if you are, you can make you some wonderful stud earrings using buttons, flowers, and sequins. Beautiful. Look at that. So simple. Bye-bye, guys. See you later. Guys, I almost forgot. I had another pair that I made. Look at these. These are some I made. Let me take them off and show you. These are also buttons. These came from like a I found these also at a thrift store. And look at that. Aren't these cute, guys? I took them and turned them into studs. Beautiful. So elegant. You know, if it's like evening wear, if you don't want to have no dangly earrings. But these are just so pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. So this is how they came, guys. I found them right at the thrift store. Look at that. And I said I can make some of them. And that's what I did. I turned them into studs. See? How cool is that? Simple studs. Okay. Again, now I'm officially going, my friends. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.